Today, we're going to explore the world of passive income through dividends. The goal? To help you achieve $100 per day in passive income, forever. But the real question is, can you achieve this with just dividends alone? Or should you diversify into other passive income streams? Before we dive into today's topic, we'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us out tremendously, and we promise to keep bringing you valuable content like this. Don't pay too much attention to the market. Instead, buy a stock and hold it for the long term. Dividends will cover the rest. This timeless piece of Warren Buffett wisdom remains relevant in today's fast-paced world of financial markets, where daily volatility may put even the most experienced investors on edge. In this video, we'll show you and Tom, our hypothetical investor, how to earn $100 a day. We'll present 5 stocks, each with 2 strategies, one for those who already have investment capital, and one for those who have the time to grow their investments. But before we dive in, let's ask ourselves a question. Is it better to focus solely on high dividend yields? Or should we also consider the potential for capital appreciation and dividend growth? The 2 strategies. As we mentioned for this video, our first strategy is for those who have an upfront investment or retirement funds. Our second strategy is for those who have a small investment but have the time to let it grow and reach the goal of paying $100 per day or $3,000 every month. So it's up to you to choose which strategy you want to follow, either a faster but bigger initial investment or a slower but smaller initial investment to reach the same goal. Ideally, your choice depends on how much money you have and how patient you can be. 5. Abbott Laboratories, ABT. Abbott Laboratories is a prominent member of the Dividend Aristocrats, an elite group of stocks with an impressive record of increasing dividends for over 25 years. Currently, this stock pays a yearly dividend of 2.13%. So, for strategy 1, if you want to earn $100 per day straight from the first year, you have to invest $1,700,000 in this stock. Now, these numbers are high, but wait till the end where we show you stocks that can get you $100 per day easily with a low investment in strategy 1 and less time in strategy 2. For strategy 2, the stock has a 10-year CAGR of 11.4%. So if Tom invests $10,000 in this stock and reinvests his dividends in 47.5 years, Tom's initial investment will be valued at over $1,700,000, which equates to $3,042 per month or $101 per day. Is a 47.5-year wait too long for you? Or are you willing to be patient and let the power of compounding work its magic? 4. Visa Inc. Visa is a leading global payments technology company. Currently, the company has a dividend yield of 0.74%, which means to get to $100 a day or $3,000 per month, Tom has to invest over $4,800,000 in this stock straight away. It's obvious that strategy 1 isn't good at all for this stock. But that's because this stock is not about the current dividend yield. This stock is all about dividend growth, or in other words, CAGR, compound annual growth rate, which in this stock's case, the 10-year CAGR is 18.05%. For strategy 2, Tom needs to invest $10,000 and wait for his investment to grow while reinvesting his dividends. After 37.5 years, his investment will be worth over $5 million, paying an annual dividend of $37,397 or $3,116 per month, which equates to $103 per day. 3. AbbVie Inc., ABV. This corporation is a pharmaceutical giant with over 50-year history of consecutive dividend growth, making it also one of the coveted dividend kings. It has a current dividend yield of 3.74% with a solid compounded annual growth rate of 14.1%. For strategy 1, to earn $100 a day from this stock, Tom needs to invest around $962,566. This will give him an annual dividend of $36,000 from the first year, equating to $3,000 per month or $100 per day. Now, if Tom uses strategy 2 with a $10,000 investment, reinvesting his dividends in 34.5 years, Tom's investment will be valued at $982,503, paying him $102 per day. 2. Cintas, CTS. Cintas is a lesser-known dividend aristocrat, but it is the country's largest provider of uniform rental services with over 1 million business customers. Cintas has increased its dividend for over 40 consecutive years and has one of the best dividend growth profiles of all the dividend aristocrats. Currently, the business offers a dividend yield of 0.76%, but when you look into long-term dividend growth, it promises a 10-year dividend growth rate of 21.5%. So, if Tom wants to earn $100 a day from the first year with strategy 1, he has to invest over $4,700,000 in this stock, which will end up paying an annual dividend of $36,000, $3,000 monthly, or $100 per day. Now, if Tom chooses the second strategy and invests $10,000 with dividend reinvestment, after just 32 years, his investment will be valued at over $5 million, paying an annual dividend of $38,756, which equates to $3,229 per month, or $107 per day. Arbor Realty Trust, ABR. Last but not least, we have ABR. This REIT has been one of the top 10 real estate investment trusts for its attractive valuation and strong dividend metrics. Speaking of which, it has a current dividend yield of 12.5%, and backing its strong dividend yield is an even stronger dividend growth rate of 12.93%. Now, before showing how much Tom needs to invest in Strategy 1 and how long he has to wait with Strategy 2 to achieve his goal of $100 per day, let's see why this investment makes it to the top of the list. First of all, the high yield is a standout characteristic of ABR, as it significantly surpasses the average yield by quite a margin. Secondly, as a REIT, ABR is required to distribute at least 90% of its taxable income as dividends to shareholders, making it an appealing choice for dividend investors. Now back to running the numbers. With a current dividend yield of 12.5% and a 10-year CAGR of 12.93%, based on these metrics, for Strategy 1, Tom needs to invest only $288,000 as an initial investment. For Strategy 2, if Tom invests $10,000 and reinvests his dividends, after 5 years, his investment will grow by more than 3 times to $36,387. Give it 18 more years, and in 23 years from now, Tom's initial investment will be valued at $314,057, paying him an annual dividend of $39,257, or $3,271 per month. That's $109 per day. While Arbor Realty Trust seems like an attractive option, do you feel comfortable investing in a REIT? Or would you prefer to diversify your portfolio with different asset classes? This video discussed strategies to make $100 per day with dividends, but you may want to pursue all your options in the passive income world. For that, watch our video on Don't Keep Your Cash in the Bank, 4 assets that are better and safer than cash, where we show you Robert Kiyosaki's key strategies to succeed. There you have it, folks. We've explored 5 dividend stocks that could potentially help you achieve $100 per day in passive income. But remember, the path to financial freedom is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It's essential to diversify your investments and explore various passive income streams to mitigate risk and maximize your potential for growth. Have you thought of how much passive income you need to live off dividends forever? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about how to live off passive income forever. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for creating wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.